It's within these moments right now that make all our past efforts worth every single second. We quickly get a measurement of about 45 inches, and even though we brought a scale, we decide not to weigh her and get her back in the water as soon as possible. She is probably around 14 years old and weighs at least 30 pounds. She put up a great fight, and we got her back in the water and on her way so she could spawn another generation of fighters for future fishers.
That fish was pulling so hard. There it goes. Nice. Next year. See where the line wrapped around his tail? I thought when he did that, I didn't know.
Yeah.